Okay, so the next topic is proportions. Is that how much a paid athlete eats? A proportion? Ha 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 ha. Yeah, I know, it's not that funny. I like it though. So, a proportion is when you just have ratios equal to each other. Now, you could solve this by multiplying both sides by the LCD. That's okay. But there's a shortcut whenever you have one fraction equal one fraction or a proportion. You can solve it by cross multiplying. So you'd have x times 5 equals 4 times x plus 1. Because if you multiplied by the LCD, which is 20, 4 goes into 25 times 5x. 5 goes into 24 times, there you go. So you would distribute the 4. So subtract 4x. You'd have x equals 4. I know I don't have a whole lot of room, sorry. So this one. Oh, proportion, cross multiply. So 5 times 2x plus 1 equals 3 times x minus 2. So it'd be 10x plus 5 equal 3x minus 6. Yay! So subtract 3x. Subtract 5. I'm doing 2 steps at once. Oh, crazy. 7x equals a negative 11. Divide by 7. Here, I'll put it right here. X equals a negative 11 over 7. So there's 3 problems right there. Try them and then turn me back on. Okay, this one's tricky. You could distribute the 2 and then cross multiply, or you could go 2 times 2 is 4, x plus 1 equals 3 times x minus 6. So 4x plus 4 is 3x minus 18. Subtract 3x. Subtract 4. Doing 2 steps at once here. This is crazy. So x equals negative 22. So this one. Now, we're going to learn when we do fractional equations way in quarter 3 that whenever you have x on the bottom, you got to put up a warning saying, hey, watch out, we cannot use number 2 for x because 2 minus 2 is 0. Can't have 0 in the denominator. So cross multiply 4x plus 1 equals 3x minus 2. So 4x plus 4 equals 3x minus 6. Subtract 3x. Subtract 4. Now, I want the x's over on the left, so the numbers have to go on the right. So x equals negative 10. So 6 times 3x plus 5. 4 times 5x minus 1. So 18x plus 30, distribute to both terms. 20x minus 4. Subtract 18x. Add 4. So I'm going to bring it up over here. So 34 equals 2x. Divide by 2x equals 17. Now, notice the difference with these problems and ratio story problems. Ratio story problems actually has 2 numbers in ratio, and the numbers are unique. Notice it's 3 out of the 5. So that's why we do this different. you set up a fraction. 3 out of 5 is the same. Oops. Now, I have the teachers that love lunch over total teachers. So the question would be, is 80 the number of teachers that love it or the total teachers? And I think you can see it's total. So x, so you'd have 5x equals 240. Divide both sides by 5. So x equals, let's see, that would be 48. Woohoo! 4 Star Wars light swords. I know it's sabers. Sorry, I thought they were swords when I wrote this. 4 Star Wars light swords cost $12.40. How much would 7 cost? So you have the number divided by the cost. So it'd be 4 to 1240 equals 7 to the I don't know. Now, I have no problems if you use a calculator. So I'm going to go 1240 times 7, and I get 86.8 equals 4x. Doopy doop. So 86.8, oops, divided by, oh, I messed up. Sorry. 86.8. Well, my goodness. Keep messing up. I need smaller fingers. And I get 21.7. So $21.70. Worth every penny. So hopefully you see the difference. Ratio story problems, you have 2 unique items compared to each other, and it equals a total. So that's when you put the x with it. This is out of something else. So hopefully that helped you with proportions. Have a good day.